Each one of the fitness routines shown here in this workshop are going to be balanced routines. And what that means, which we'll talk a little bit more about later, is they're going to incorporate flexibility, strength, cardiovascular work, mental, and balance as we go through. So it's going to be a completely balanced routine. The best part about each one of these routines is I'm completing this routine in just a portion of my fitness room. So these routines are conducive to small spaces. Every 6 weeks, I change my dog's fitness plans a little bit. You need to stay with the plan for roughly 6 weeks so that you can get the maximum benefits of working on the particular muscles that you're working on. You're not going to see results if you only do it for 2 weeks or if you only do it for 1 week. You really need to commit to 6 weeks. So here I'm using my little pivot disc and a Kato board. You can use lots of things here. If you have just a couple pieces of wood, if you have, you can use a climb table.
How about this? Let's try this. This is a 10 for me.
She is slightly longer in the back because that is her breed standard. Therefore, she is just innately weaker in the core. So all of her exercises are always focused with core first. And then because she does some obedience and some agility, and I like for her to have really strong rear for those deceleration and the healing with the head up, her second area would be rear.